In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Lightroom app on Android. We'll use the Google Play Store, which is the easiest and safest method. Before we begin, make sure you have an internet connection and a bit of free storage space. If you're on mobile data, consider switching to Wi-Fi to speed things up and save your data. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the multicolored triangle icon. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top and type Adobe Lightroom. As results appear, look for the one named Lightroom Photo and Video Editor. Make sure it's published by Adobe. Checking the developer name helps ensure you're getting the official app, not a lookalike. You can also glance at the app icon. It's the familiar blue and black square with the LR letters and the high download count and ratings, which further confirm you're in the right place. When you've opened the official app page, tap Install. The Play Store will download the files and handle the installation for you. You'll see a progress bar. This can take a moment depending on your internet speed and device. If it seems to pause, just give it a little time. Once the button changes from Install to Open, tap Open to launch Lightroom immediately. For future access, the Lightroom icon will now appear on your home screen or in your app drawer, so you can open it anytime with a single tap. Now that it's installed, here's what you get with Lightroom. You'll have professional photo editing tools to adjust brightness, contrast, color, and more, along with a range of tasteful filters. There are powerful AI features too, like background removal and object removal, which can save tons of time and help you clean up distractions in a click. Presets let you apply consistent looks across your photos quickly, perfect for a cohesive style on social media or in a portfolio. And with Cloud Sync, your edits can stay consistent across devices so you can start editing on your phone and continue elsewhere without missing a beat. Lightroom offers a solid free version, and there are optional premium features if you want more advanced tools. You can explore those later. There's no need to decide right away. One simple tip before we wrap up. For the easiest and safest experience, always install Lightroom directly from the Google Play Store. That way you get official updates, security checks, and the authentic app every time. That's it. You're ready to start editing like a pro on Android. Enjoy creating.